Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about car maintenance. Since wintertime is coming up, you should stay on top of your car's maintenance. You should make sure to start your car 5 to 10 minutes before you leave to make sure it's warm. Two very important things that your car relies on is your tires. Make sure your tires have enough tread so you never slip in any environment, and your brakes. Your brakes will help you stop in any case of emergency or just regular stopping. Make sure you have one of these in your car during the winter. This will help you clean up any snow or ice off your windows. A very important thing that you should have in your car is a spare tire. If you're having a remote area and your tire gets flat, you will need a spare tire to keep going. A few things you should take care of. First things first, make sure you have windshield washer fluid. Make sure you have oil. If your oil is low, your engine's going to blow up probably. And make sure you top off your coolant. Your coolant is what keeps your engine cool. Make sure your car has fuel. If your car doesn't have fuel, it's not going to run. Make sure you drive safe and your car is also safe. Have a good day, Western.